my god, look, I just saw Sora 2. I'm late. I just saw Sora 2. Let me tell you, I honestly don't think nothing's real anymore. Like, honestly, like, is that real? I'm not sure if this is even real right here. Is that plant behind me real? I'm not sure. Honestly, am I real? Like, NANI? I don't know. I don't know anymore. Guys, Sora 2, let's talk about it.
The dark, two fates collide. Enough! Enough, ladies and gentlemen!
Yo, check this out. I've been holding my tongue for too long. Bigger, you fat sack of...
Now, here's the thing. I don't know if this video is AI or not, but I'm gonna keep going anyway. Okay, look. Guys, welcome to the video. My name is Constant, aka Constant Down. So if you're here right now, press like, follow, click it, bob it. Today we're talking about Sora. Specifically, we're talking about Sora 2. Now, I'm kind of scared a little bit. I'm kind of terrified. I'm kind of shaking in my boots right now because I don't know what's real anymore. I was down on a TikTok rabbit hole, laying down sleep, okay, on a third flu dream. I was scrolling for hours and I thought I was watching people just having fun. No, all the videos, AI, it was AI the whole time, and I was like, what? Now, if you don't know what Sora is, let me tell you about it real briefly. It's not a character from Kingdom Hearts. That's someone different, okay? Sora is OpenAI's little image and creation tool. It makes little images, little videos, nothing too fancy, but something nice, everything made by AI. Cool, right, nice. Then they saw Google Gemini. They saw Google Gemini bragging about AI and stuff and everything. They said, you know what? Our turn. Birdman hand rub, spin the block twice, and this came out with something even harder. Sora 2. This one, crazy. This one is something you can never imagine of. They have made an app that can compete with Hollywood movies, compete with TV shows. I was on TikTok watching SpongeBob videos. Know what? Let me show you.
The kids will love it.
Holy shit. Terrifying, right? That was terrifying, right? The first time I saw it, I cried a little bit. I'm pretty sure I pissed my pants a little bit. I'm pretty sure I was crying on the floor. I ain't talking about it, but I was scared. I thought I was watching an episode of SpongeBob, nice little Krabby Patty adventure. Nah, not it. That was a demon. That was terrifying. I'm still having nightmares about that right now. Anyway though, Sora 2 is nothing to play with. This thing is crazy. I mean, it's so good. It tells you how good AI has came over the years. That first video with Will Smith was in 2020. It is 2025. We don't even have the ending of Stranger Things yet, and AI is already that good. That is crazy to me. Okay, 2030, they're gonna have AI in the music now. Okay, AI artists. Okay, AI Hollywood actors. It's crazy. Okay. By the time we get 2030, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna sleep in bed all day. My life will be spent in my AI dream world, okay? Crazy. Now, even though this app is terrifying, you can't make wonderful things. You may wanna hop on the app yourself and make your own creations like this guy here.
I am God.
Oh my God, terrifying. I know, terrifying. Now look, here's how you do it, okay? First off, you can download the app. It is free. Don't cost you anything for now. It could change, but for now, it is free. Now, download the app from the App Store, Google Play, do your thing, okay? Download it. The thing you need next is an invite code. And that's the problem, because there's not just flying around throwing out invite codes. It's not Magic City. You're not throwing out little invite codes everywhere, okay? You need to get one from the actual source. You use the wrong one, you're gonna get banned for OpenAI or get hacked or something. I don't know, okay? Here's how you do it. You gotta join OpenAI's Discord. And you gotta be like me, like this. Yeah, I had to say, I was sitting there for about 4, 5, 6 hours. I had to sit there and wait, because there's like 50 people, sorry, take it back, 1,000 people out there waiting for one guy giving you a code. You gotta take that code and hope it doesn't get you banned, number one. Or number two, make sure it can actually hop on the app. It's a lot of work, it's a lot of headache. Yeah, I ain't lying to you, it's a lot of headache. It's a lot of headache, but lucky for you, I got a surprise for you. If you stay to the end of this video, right here, or there, okay, you get a little surprise for yourself. Okay, press like, subscribe, do the things you do. I'm gonna flash the nice invite code somewhere over here. Get it while you can before someone takes it. Anyway though, let's talk about new OpenAI's new update though. They made an update to the app, guys. Sora 2 has a new update. In the beginning, you can use characters like this.
Get up, Morty. We gotta get out of here.
What the hell, Rick? It's 3 in the morning.
No time to explain, Morty. They fucking released Sora 2, and now we're some weirdo's AI-generated fantasy. You know how much water we're wasting right now?
So be it.
Domain expand this, bitch.
I'm the apex of this world.
Yeah, Rick and Morty, SpongeBob, Family Guy making some fire edits. And guys, it is amazing. It is amazing. Look at these.
I hope you're enjoying this battle, because I'm loving it.
I gave you a chance to walk away, but if it's a battle you want, have it your way.
But now the new update, they took that away. They took that away. They took away the Sora 2 update. Now, since it has so much copyright infringement on these popular shows, apps, games, and TV shows, they said no more. No more. I'm not lying to you. I'm not lying to you. Look at this. Video failed, video failed, video failed, video failed. All right there in a row. Yeah, it kind of sucks. They took away all the copyright stuff. So no Rick and Morty videos, no Wendy's commercial videos, okay? You gotta make your own stuff. Gotta be copyright free. But if you do want to try making your own videos, here's my invite code, boop, right there. Click it, bop it, put it in your pocket, lock it in. Make sure you guys follow, like, subscribe, do the things you do so well, because it helps me out. I'm trying to be like a next YouTuber. I'm trying, it's a lot of work, okay? Help me out. Guys, tap like, click it, bob it, put it in your pocket, lock it in. Go make some videos on Sora 2, a lot of good things. Before I end this video, watch some cool anime videos right here that you could have done on Sora 2. Anime outro.
So this is how it is.